Hi kids, nice to meet you. I am Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard maths. Today we are going to see second lesson. The second lesson name is addition. Today we are going to see the part 3. So what does mean by addition? Addition means when the things are put together, we do addition. When the things are put together, we do addition. This is part 3. Part 3. Today's our first topic is adding 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Adding 4-digit number without a regrouping. So what does mean by without regrouping? When we are doing the addition problem, if the sum does not have the carry, it is called as without regrouping. Does not have the carry. So listen children, today's topic is adding 4-digit number without a regrouping. So what does mean by without regrouping? If the sum, when we are doing the addition problem, if the sum does not have the carry, that is called addition without regrouping. So listen, here we have 4-digit number, 2 groups of number. So while adding the number, first you should write the place values. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. So you should write ones. And the second place value is tens. So write tens. And the third place value is hundreds. And the fourth place value is thousand. So listen Deepak, first you are going to take the 3516. Tell me Deepak, what is the ones place value here? Here the ones place value is 6 and the 10th place value is 1, 100 place value is 5 and finally the 1000 place value is 3 and finally the 1000 place value is 3. So tell me Deepak, what is the ones place value? The ones place value is 6. What is the ones place value? The ones place value is 6. So write 6 here. And the 10th place value is 1 and 100 place value is 5 and finally the 1000 place value is 3. Next you will take the second group of the number. Here the second group of number is 6132. 6132. Now we are going to write the place values under the numbers. So what is the first place value? Ones. The second place value is tens, hundreds and thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Tell me Nazreen, what is the ones place value here? Yeah, the ones place value is 2. So take 2. And the 10th place value is 3. So write 3. And the 100 place value is 1. And finally the 1000 place value is 6. Finally the 1000 place value is 6. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start the ones place, that is a right side first number. Right side first number. Here we have 6 ones plus 2 ones. 6 ones plus 2 ones. So 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8. So the answer is 8 ones. Next you will take the tens place. In this tens place we have 1 tens plus 3 tens. 1 tens plus 3 tens. So keep 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4 tens. Next we will take the 100 place. Here the 100 place value is 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100. So tell me Sumu, keep 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. What is the answer Sumu? Yeah, very good my dear. The answer is 6. What is the answer? The answer is 6. Next we will take the 1000 place value. The 1000 place values are 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. That is called 3000 plus 6000. Keep 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. What is the answer? 9. So finally you should write the answer 9648. 9648. 48. So the topic name is adding 4-digit number without regrouping. So you know my dears, without regrouping means when we are doing the addition problem, if the sum does not have the carry. If the sum does not have the carry, it is called addition without regrouping. Next we will see the one more example. So the second question is 2196 plus 3601. So what is the first step, Nazreen? Very good, my dear. First step is write the place values. What is the first place value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. First you will take the 2196 plus 3601. So going to write the place values under the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So here too you should write the place values, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. First you will take the first group of the number. What is the first group of the number? Here the first group of the number is 2196. 2196. So first you will write the ones place value. The ones place value is 6. So write 6. And the 10th place value is 9. So write 9. And the 100 place value. So what is the 100 place value, Nisha? Here the 100 place value is 1. Very good, my dear. Next take the 1000 place value. The 1000 place value is 2. Next we will take the second group of the number 3601. The ones place value is 1. The 10th place value is 0. The 100 place value is 6. Finally the 1000 place value is 3. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should take the ones place value, tens place value, 100 place value and finally 1000 place value, right? So take 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. That is 6 ones plus 1 ones. So the answer is 7. What is the answer? 7 ones. Next you will take a 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0. Keep 9 in the mind, 0 in the finger. What is the answer? Yeah, the answer is 9. You are getting the same number. The answer is 9. Next you will take 1 plus 6. Keep 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Next you will take the 1000 place value. Here we have the 1000 place values are 2000 plus 3000. 2000 plus 3000. So keep 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 2 after, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5000. What is the answer? 5000. So write the answer 5. Finally, you should take and write the answer 5797. 5797. So write the answer 5797. Next we will see the adding 4-digit number with regrouping. Adding 4-digit number with regrouping. So in before topic is without regrouping. You know what is without regrouping. So when we are doing the addition problem, if the sum does not have the carry. But with regrouping means if the sum has carry. If the sum has carry. Our next topic is adding 4-digit number with regrouping. So what is mean by with regrouping? When we are doing the addition problem, if the sum has carry. If the sum has carry. If the sum has carry, that is called addition with a regrouping. That is called addition with regrouping. So our first number is 3516 plus 4918. So while adding the number, first you should start place values, right? What is the first place value? The first place value is ones, the second place value is tens, the third place value is hundreds, and the fourth place value is thousand. So write ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So take the 3516. So what is the ones place value? The ones place value is 6, tens place value is 1, and the hundred place value is 5, thousand place value is 3. Next we will take 4918. Here the ones place value is 8, the tenth place value is 1, and the hundred place value is 9, and finally the thousand place value is 4. Okay. Now you take the first group of the number and then arrange the column wise. So the first number is 6, the ones place value is 6, the tenth place value is 1, and the hundred place value is 5, the thousand place value is 3. Next you will take the second group of the number. The second group of the number is 4918. 4918. Here the ones place value is 8. So write 8. And the tenth place value is 1, and the hundred place value is 9, and finally the thousand place value is 4. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start the ones place, tens place, hundred place, and finally thousand place. So take the ones place value. We have 6 ones plus 8 ones. 6 ones plus 8 ones. So keep 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. So what is the answer, Naslin? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here you got 2-digit number answer. So take 14 ones. Now we are going to split this. This is 4 ones and then 4 ones and then 1 tens. 4 ones and then 1 tens. So in this 1 tens you should be written carry over to the 10th place. In this 1 tens you should be written carry over to the 10th place, and that 4 ones you should be written under the ones place. So write 4. Next the tens values are 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 tens plus 1 tens plus 1 tens. So keep 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So the answer is 2. Next you keep 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. What is the answer? 2 after 3. Next you will take the 100 place value, 500 plus 900. So keep 5 in the mind, 9 in the finger. Now children, you should count with me. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 2-digit number, that is 14. That is 14. So the answer, we are going to split this 400 plus 1000. 400 plus 1000. 400 plus 1000. So in that 1000 you should be written carry over to the 1000 place, and then the 400 you should be written under the 100 place. So write 4. Next you will take the 1000 place value. Here the 1000 place values are 1 plus 3 plus 4. So keep 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4. Next one, keep 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. What is the answer? The answer is 8. So finally you should write the answer 8434. 8434. So my dear students, listen here. In this topic name is adding 4-digit number with regrouping. The before topic is adding 4-digit number without regrouping. So you know what is with regrouping and without regrouping. If the sum has carry, that is with regrouping, does not have the carry, that is without regrouping. Next we will see some story problems related to addition. Next we will see some story problems related to addition. The first question is, a shopkeeper sells 283 eggs on Monday. The shopkeeper sells 283 eggs on Monday and 412 eggs on Tuesday. How many eggs does E sell in the two ways? Listen my children, I will give some clues for you. Okay, how you should find the story problem. When we have the terms like how many, how much, find the total, find the sum. How many, how much, find the total, find the sum. How many, how much, find the total, find the sum means there we should use the addition problem. So, the first question is a shopkeeper sells 283 eggs on Monday. 283 eggs on Monday. So, simply you should write the solution. Solution. So, write a shopkeeper sells. A shopkeeper sells. Shopkeeper, K-E-E-P-E-R. A shopkeeper sells. So, how many eggs on Monday? Yeah, very good, yes. The shopkeeper sells 283 eggs on Monday. 283 eggs on Monday and 412 eggs on Tuesday. So, Monday equal to and Tuesday equal to. So, Monday equal to and then Tuesday equal to Tuesday. So, simply you should write the statement. A shopkeeper sells. So, how many eggs on Monday? Totally 283 eggs on Monday. Here we have 3-digit number. So, we should write the place values. So, what is the first place value? Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So, the first one is 283. So, the ones place value is 3. The 10th place value is 8. And the 100 place value is 2. Next you will take the Tuesday. In Tuesday we have 412 eggs. Okay, the shopkeeper sells 412 eggs. So, the ones place value is 2. The 10th place value is 1 and the 100 place value is 4. Okay, now we are going to add this. So, I think everyone knows what is the first step. The first step is while adding the number, first you will take the ones place value. So, keep 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 after, 4, 5. So, write 5 ones. Next you will take the tens values. Keep 8 tens plus 1 tens. So, 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So, 8 after, the answer is 9. Next you will take the 100 place value. 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, write the answer 695. So, the question is how many eggs does he sell in 2 days? How many eggs does he sell in 2 days? So, the total number of eggs he sells in 2 days 695 eggs. So, answer total number of eggs equal to total number of eggs equal to 695. Total number of eggs equal to 695. So, everyone clear this one? Listen here, we will see next one more example is there, that also story problem. Yeah, in a parking lot there are 348 scooters. In a parking lot there are 348 scooters and 176 cars. In all, how many vehicles are there? In all, how many vehicles are there? So, simply you should take the statement from question itself. Okay, listen my children. In a parking lot, there are 348 scooters. So, write solution. Solution in a parking. In a parking. In a parking area, we have scooter and then cars. So, write scooter and then cars. Scooter and then cars. So, first we are going to write the place values. The first place value is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So, what is the ones place value? We have 348 scooters. We have 348 scooters and 176 cars. We have 348 scooters and then 176 cars. So, take the ones place value is 8 The 10th place value is 4. Finally, the 100th place value is 3. Next, we will take the 176 card. Here, the 1st place value is 6. The 10th place value is 7. And the 100th place value is 1. So, now we are going to add this. So, why? Because the question is, how many vehicles are there? How many vehicles are there? So, right, while adding the number, first you should write 1's place value. Keep 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. So, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, the answer is 14. So, take 14 means 4 ones plus 1 tens. 4 ones plus 1 tens. Write 4 ones and then 1 tens you should be written carry over to the 10th place. Next you will take the 1 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. So keep 5 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here too we got 2-digit number, that is 12. Now we are going to split this. 2 tens plus 100s. 2 tens plus 100s. 2 tens plus 100s. In this 100, you should be written carry over to the 100 place, and then this 2 tens you should be written under the 10th place. Next, you will take the 100 place value. 100 plus 300 plus 100. 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So, the answer is 4. 1 after 2, 3, 4. Next, 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. The answer is 5. So, totally how many vehicles are there? Totally we have 524 vehicles are there in the parking area. So, write the answer. So, what is the question? How many vehicles are there? So, total number of vehicles equal to total number of vehicles equal to. So, totally how many vehicles are there? 524 vehicles. Totally how many vehicles are there? 524 vehicles are there. So, listen children, today you have learned addition with regrouping, without regrouping, and finally story problem, right? And then extra we are going to read the 2 table, and then extra we are going to read the 2 table. So, this is multiplication table. So, what is mean by multiplication? Yeah, very good my dear. Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. What does mean by multiplication? Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. Multiplication table. Multiplication tables. So, what does mean by multiplication? Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. What does mean by multiplication? Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. Today we are going to see the 2 table. Today we are going to see the 2 table. You should read your home, okay? So, listen, while starting the table, first you should start at 0. 2 zeros are 0. So, 2 times of 0, you are getting the answer 0. So, write 2 zeros are 0. Next, you will write the continuous natural number. So, 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it will be goes on, and this is 2 table. So, continuously you write 2. Okay. Next, you will take the 2 ones are 2, that is 2 times of 1. So, the answer is 2. Next, you will take the 2 twos are 2 times of 2. What is the answer? The answer is 4. So, simply add 2 twos are. So, 2 plus 2, the answer is 4. Next, you will take the 2 threes are. So, what is the answer, Nasreen? 2 threes are? Yeah, very good my dear. Yes, she said the answer. The answer is 6. Next, you will take the 2 fours are. Tell me, Deepak, what is the answer? 2 fours are? That is 2 times of 4. So, the answer is 8. So, the answer is 8. Next, you will take the 2 fives are. So, 2 fives are 2 times of 5. 2 times of 5. So, 5 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So, the answer is 10. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write the answer is 10. Next we will take the 2. So what is the 5 after number? 5 after number is 6. So answer 2 6 are 12. Next we will take the 2 7s are. Why? Because 6 after number is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write 2 7s are. So what is the answer, Nasreen? 2 7s are. 2 7s are 14. That is 2 times of 7. Next we will take the 2 8s are. 2 8s are. So what is the answer? 2 8s are 2 times of 8. So keep 8 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. Next take 2 times of 9. So the answer is 18. And finally 2 times of 10. So 2 times of 10, the answer is 20. 2 times of 10, the answer is 20. Next we will take 2 11s are. 2 11s are. So what is the answer? 2 11s are 22. And take the answer. Next to take the number 2 12s are. So 2 12s are. So 2 times of 12, the answer is 24. So my dear students, you should read the tables regularly. Today you will read 2 tables and then tell to your mother. Okay. Yeah. Listen my students. Today you have learned addition problem with regrouping, without regrouping, story problem and extra you read tables, right? In this below description we have attached study material, question bank and assessment work. Just do the assessment work and then if you have any doubt just go through this video. Okay. So today itself we completed second lesson. So what is the second lesson name? The second lesson name is addition. Thank you my dear students.